To secure Azure Synapse with Azure Defender, start by understanding the importance of protecting your cloud-based analytics services. Azure Synapse is a powerful platform for data integration, analytics, and AI, but it requires robust security measures to prevent data breaches and unauthorized access. First, enable Azure Defender on your Azure Synapse workspace by navigating to the Azure portal and selecting your Synapse workspace. Then, click on the Security option and choose Azure Defender. Follow the prompts to enable the service, which will provide advanced threat protection and vulnerability assessment for your Synapse workspace. Next, configure Azure Defender to monitor your Synapse workspace for potential security threats. This includes setting up alerts and notifications for suspicious activity, such as unusual login attempts or data access patterns. You can also use Azure Defender to scan your Synapse workspace for vulnerabilities, such as outdated software or misconfigured security settings. In addition to enabling Azure Defender, make sure to implement best practices for securing your Azure Synapse workspace. This includes using strong passwords and multi-factor authentication for all users, as well as limiting access to sensitive data and resources. You should also regularly review and update your security settings to ensure they are aligned with your organization's security policies. To further enhance security, use Azure Active Directory to manage access to your Synapse workspace. This includes creating roles and assigning permissions to users and groups, as well as using conditional access policies to control access to sensitive data and resources. You can also use Azure Monitor to track and analyze security-related data and logs, which can help you identify and respond to potential security threats. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively secure your Azure Synapse workspace with Azure Defender and protect your cloud-based analytics services from potential security threats. Remember to regularly review and update your security settings to ensure they are aligned with your organization's security policies and procedures.